Manufacturing is undergoing a dramatic digital transformation. IoT is powering integration of machines, devices, sensors, and people, enabling innovations in quality assurance, safety, security, and many other aspects of manufacturing. Key to these innovations is a smart data architecture, with data collection, processing, and analytics taking place where it most makes sense. Together, Microsoft and Striim provide a flexible foundation for this digital transformation. The Azure IoT Gateway SDK enables on-site multi-protocol data collection. Its modular architecture integrates with the Striim Edge server to process raw data before delivery to the cloud. Striim can also perform analytics at the edge and feed back to control devices. Data can be delivered to the Azure IoT Hub, and a Striim server in Azure Cloud Services can analyze and visualize the data from many edge servers. To demonstrate this, we are collecting real-time data from a model factory, performing processing and analytics on an edge gateway, and its operation visualized by a dashboard in the cloud. A widget transitions down a production line from initial heating to completion. Data is generated by sensors, switches, motors, and other actuators. It is collected by the Azure IoT Gateway SDK, which is managed by a Striim Edge application, and sent to the Striim Edge server. Striim processes and analyzes the data at the edge, using a model to evaluate product quality. The raw and analyzed data is sent to the Azure IoT Hub with real-time cloud-based visualization through a Striim dashboard. If it is predicted that the product quality is being adversely affected, the factory is stopped by the edge server, a notification sent to operators, and an alarm sounded at the production line. All of this can be controlled from the cloud and scales naturally with your business. Speak to us today to understand how Microsoft and Striim can help with your digital transformation.